It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 16th of January. I'm James Spann. The weather stays warm this week across the state. We'll see increasing rain chances later in the week, maybe some strong storms along the way. Possibly Thursday night, it looks like a better chance of a severe weather possibility over the weekend ahead. So here we go. An upper low lifted out of the southwest United States yesterday. That brought severe weather to parts of Texas last night, and a part of that is hanging back over Baja California. But the main dynamic support with that upper low, the initial one, will be lifting well to the west and north of the state. Another mild morning, although temperatures are all over the board. Almost a 20-degree spread here. You got Fort Payne at 43, Birmingham at 60. But we stay mild today with low 70s likely again this afternoon, but very cold up north. And on the southern flank of that cold air, more icing problems. Ice storm warnings in effect for parts of Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, northwest Missouri. Winter weather advisories up into the Great Lakes and some dense fog issues down into parts of Missouri and Arkansas early this morning. Convective outlook, a marginal risk of severe weather for parts of Arkansas and some of the adjacent states today. And then tomorrow, a chance of thunder here, but no severe weather is expected. Could be a few showers, but I don't even know if we hear much thunder. And beyond that, the only risk identified is on day 6. This is Saturday through Sunday morning with a pretty dynamic system. And again, anytime you see a risk on day 6, you have to pay attention to that. Right now, it's defined for the southern half of the state, but I wouldn't be shocked if that thing were to spread northward with time. And for the moment, it looks like the main threat could be Saturday night, but of course, timing could change. And this is good. You know, we're still in a drought here. Let's not forget that. And we need rain, and we're going to get some rain as the pattern becomes increasingly wet over the next 7 days. This is rain through Monday morning of next week, suggesting rain amounts around 3 inches here. And we'll take that. Ice issues up north. This is the chance of freezing rain for the next 24 hours. You see that band of freezing rain from Omaha over to Detroit. But let's dive in the models here. The GFS, this is the 06E run at noon today. You can see that little upper low that lifted out over Kansas, the main trough still hanging back over Baja. Surface low is over Kansas. And again, for us, the Gulf opens up today. We'll mention maybe a slight chance of a shower this afternoon or tonight. Most places stay dry. The better chance of rain west of the state. Tomorrow, the surface low is near Cleveland and Detroit, coming up into Canada with a trailing front. The dynamic support is weakening. Yes, a chance of showers tomorrow, but no chance of any severe weather. Probably no thunder. And we stay warm with a high around 70. This is Wednesday. The highs drop back a little bit, and this is suggesting Wednesday could be relatively dry. The front's going to wash out. The high would be in the upper 60s, still well above average. But obviously, if we see any showers, won't be much to that. And then Thursday, here comes the next wave from the west. Rain will likely arrive Thursday afternoon and Thursday night. And again, there might be a strong storm, but I don't think this will be a big severe weather problem. And then on Friday, that wave passes on by. So Thursday night, a chance of showers and storms ending early Friday morning. And still highs around 70. There's no cold air involved here. Now, for the weekend, this is Saturday. We're still mild with low 70s likely. A deep surface low west of the state with rain perhaps breaking out down to the south. Let's go to Saturday night at midnight. Got a deep sub-1,000 millibar low that's over east Oklahoma. And this is where there could be some severe weather problems with pretty good dynamics. And again, there might be a severe weather threat here, but it's too early to define the exact magnitude of this. And then Sunday, a very deep surface low deepening on the journey northeast is located southeast of St. Louis, and we're getting into a dry slot. So we'll have to watch for a chance of strong, maybe severe storms at some point this weekend. Right now, it looks like the core time would be Saturday night. We'll go to Monday of next week. You can see the upper support, very deep trough coming through. Again, we're pretty much in a dry slot, maybe some lingering showers. And finally, temperatures get back to where they ought to be. Highs would drop into the 50s if this is right. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is the middle of next week, Wednesday the 25th, deep trough to the west. And again, that looks like a band of storms approaching. And once that passes, the air could be noticeably colder. This is the European ensemble for the period January 26th to the 31st. And you can see temperatures going below average. And this is about 5,000 feet off the ground, but it's a good indication of what might happen. A pretty chilly look for the continental United States. You can see that reflected in the numbers with highs dropping in the 40s and lows below freezing out there toward the end of this month. Winter is young. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.